Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I am joined by my daughter Naviana, and we sat and made jean chokers together. So we want to show you guys how we did that, and I think they came out so cute. As you see, it goes with my earrings perfect. I'm going to go ahead and get a closer up. I just added a charm to mine. She added some bling on hers. Turn yours around. She used to secure hers, she just used some yarn. We both used different techniques. She just used some yarn. Bring me that girl. She just used some yarn to secure hers. So cute, simple. I, on the other hand, used the actual like lobster clasps and all of that. So yeah, we're gonna show you how we did these. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so for the first necklace that we're going to be making, it's going to be the jean choker. And as you see, I have my material, and the only thing that you need to do is just cut you some strips out. As you can see, I've already went on ahead and cut it, and I cut pretty much directly from there. I got 2 strips. I'm going to make a choker, and my daughter's going to make a choker as well. Okay, so once you pretty much got this and you are on this part, you are pretty much done with your choker. But we're going to take this a step forward, and pretty much you are going to need 2 of these whatever these things is called.
They're almost like lobster clasps.
Yeah, I don't know what them things is. And then all you want to do is just pinch it down to both ends. Make sure you got it on there really, really good. And once you get it to, I need a jump ring. And once you pretty much get it down, you're gonna need a jump ring to loop it through. Okay, and once you do that, all you do is take the jump ring and loop it through the hook. Take the lobster clasp and hook it through, twist it, and it is pretty much done. And you can pretty much, oh, I need to put another jump ring on right there. But I'm going to put another jump ring on this way, that way I can hook it when it's pretty much all said and done. But I'm going to take this jean choker a step further, and I'm going to be adding, thank you, my daughter gave me another jump ring. And I am going to be adding on a charm. Oh, you got some little cute charms. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to be adding this in the middle so that it hangs down. I'm gonna get all these threads off.
And you can get your supplies from craft stores near you, like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or you could just get lucky at Walmart. So
let me get one more jump ring, honey.
That's where you can get your supplies.
I'm gonna go ahead and use my hole puncher and just punch a hole right there in the middle. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Twist it open. I'm gonna take this, loop it through the hole, take my charm, put it through, clasp it back. Oh man, I done put it on backwards. Lord help me. Alright. And then as you see, I now have a jean choker with a charm on it, and that is super cute. Now another way that you can do your ends if you do not have these, which is my favorite way because it's super quick, super easy, is with some string or some yarn. We use yarn. Okay, and this one is my daughter's, and as you see, we already have one end of the choker secured. All she did was poke holes in it, and then once she poked the holes in it, we just tied it to secure the yarn to the actual choker, and then we cut off the excess string right there. And so this is now what she is left with. She's not going to leave it this long, but this is just so she can tie it in the back, you know, and that makes this adjustable to where it can fit any size. Another thing that you can do, what my daughter did, is she added the adhesive diamonds that I have. She just, you know, used the glue gun and glued them on, and it is awesome. It looks beautiful. If you guys have any questions on this or need me to go into any more detail, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.